Hello, my dear students. Lucas Commerce Academy, the power of accounting welcomes you. Dear students, I have a small request for you. You have so many friends and relatives who are studying accounting and commerce. Please communicate them about our channel and request them to like, to share, and to subscribe our channel. This will be a great help for me in creating many videos. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Today, let us discuss bill dishonored under bill is discounted with the bank. Bill is discounted with some bank. Okay, got. So in this case, how to pass journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. Let us take previous example. A sold goods to B for rupees 10,000 on 1st January 2024 and drew a bill for 3 months. Then B accepted the bill and returned it to A for the same amount. The drawer discounting the bill with his banker. Then on its due date, the bill was dishonored. So this is our previous example. So in this case, how to pass journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. Okay, take first one, drawer. Okay, so the first journal entry, goods sold to B, entry B's account debtor to sales account. Then the second journal entry, when bills receivable received from B, bills receivable account debtor to B's account. Third journal entry, when bill is discounted with his bank, that means cash or bank account debtor discount account debtor. For example, discount charges 200, we are receiving 9,800. So cash or bank account debtor 9,800, discount account debtor 200 to bills receivable account 10,000. This is the journal entry when bill is discounted with the bank. Come to fourth one. On due date, that means April 4th, the bill is dishonored. The bill is dishonored. In this case, the banker will recover the amount from us. That means we have to pay to bank on the due date of the bill as B. That means drawee fails to pay the amount. Even though we are going to receive the same amount from B. So that means the journal entry for this is drawee account debtor. That means B's account debtor, the total amount 10,000. We are going to pay to bank account 10,000. Okay, so the journal entry for dishonor here, B's account debtor to bank account 10,000, 10,000. Okay, so these are the journal entries are passed in the books of drawer when there is no noting charges. Suppose noting charges, so that means bill amount 10,000 in previous example, noting charges 1,000 rupees, that means 11,000. So here the holder of the bill is banker and not drawer. In first case, the holder of the bill is drawer. The holder of the bill here banker. Then the banker approach the public notary and pays noting charges. Then the banker will recover noting charges from drawer, then the drawer recovers the same amount from drawee. Okay. So in this case, how to pass journal entries? That means B's account debtor, the amount due from B here 11,000 and not 10,000. So that means B's account debtor 11,000 to bank account we have to pay to bank 11,000. So that means B's account debtor to bank account 11,000, 11,000. So these are the journal entries are passed in the books of drawer. Next come to books of drawee. Okay. So the first journal entry, goods purchased, purchases account data to drawer account. Second one, when bill is accepted, so drawer account data to bills payable account. Third one, when bill is dishonored. Okay, when bill is dishonored, the journal entry is bills payable account data to drawer, that means to A's account. So this is the journal entry for dishonor without noting charges. Bills payable account debtor 10,000 rupees to A's account 10,000 rupees. This journal entry is passed without noting charges. Suppose when bill is dishonored with noting charges, in that case, how to pass this journal entry? So that means bills payable account debtor 10,000. We cannot change this amount. Noting charges account debtor, noting charges account debtor 1,000 rupees to drawer, that means to A's account 11,000. 11,000. Once again, bills payable account debtor 10,000 rupees, noting charges account debtor 100 rupees to A's account 11,000 rupees. So these are the journal entries are passed in the books of drawer and drawee. So you take third journal, that means here fourth journal entry, here third journal entry. Journal entries are most important. Okay. Here, without noting charges, B's account data to bank account 10,000, 10,000. With noting charges, B's account data 11,000 to bank account 11,000. Here, without noting charges, bills payable account data to A's account 10,000, 10,000. With noting charges, bills payable account data 10,000, noting charges account data 100 rupees to not 100, 1,000 rupees. Okay. To A's account 11,000 rupees, 11,000. Okay. So this is the treatment in case of bill dishonored with and without noting charges when bill is discounted with the bank. Okay. So now let us discuss dishonor of bill in case of bill is endorsed. Bill is endorsed. How to pass journal entries in this regard in the books of both drawer and drawee. Okay, come to books of drawer. The first one, goods sold to B. B's account data to sales account. Next, bills receivable received from B. Bills receivable account data to B's account. Third one, when bill is endorsed to C. In our previous example, C's account data to bills receivable account. C's account data to bills receivable account. C is endorsed C. So endorsed C account data to bills receivable account. That means C's account data to bills receivable account. We already discussed. The fourth one is when bill is dishonored. When bill is dishonored. So in this case, we are going to pay to C. Then the same amount will be recovered from B. So that means B's account debtor to C's account 10,000. So once again, B's account debtor to C's account. We are going to receive 10,000 from B. We are going to pay 10,000 to C. So the journal entry B's account data to C's account. This is the journal entry without noting charges. With the noting charges, how to pass this journal entry? Same bill amount 10,000 rupees, noting charges 1,000 rupees. In this case, C, that means endorsee, is the holder of the bill. He approached the lawyer and paid noting charges. Then C will be recovered the same amount from A. Then A will be recovered the same amount from B. In that case, how to pass journal entry? So that means B's account debtor not only 10,000 but also noting charges, that means 11,000. So we are going to pay to C also 11,000. That's all. B's account debtor 11,000 rupees to C's account 11,000 rupees. Then come to books of drawee. So books of drawee, the first journal entry, when goods purchased, purchases account data to A account. Second one, when bill is accepted, A's account data to bills payable account. Third one, when bill is dishonored, ordinary journal entry. So that means bills payable account data to A's account. A's account 10,000 without noting charges. With noting charges, how to pass this journal entry? So that means bills payable account data, we cannot change this amount. Noting charges account data, this is an expense for us. Noting charges account data 1,000 rupees to A's account 11,000 rupees. This is the journal entry for bill dishonored with noting charges. Okay, good. Then let us discuss dishonor of bill in case of bill sent to bank for collection. How to pass journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. The first one is goods sold to B, B's account data to sales account. When bills receivable received from B, bills receivable account data to B's account. Then third journal entry, when bill sent to bank for collection, sent to bank for collection. So what is the journal entry? Good. So bill sent for collection account data, bill sent for collection account data to bills receivable account 10,000, 10,000. Then fourth, the bill is dishonored. In that case, how to pass journal entry? We are going to receive 10,000 from B, hence B is a debtor, hence B account is debited 10,000 to bill sent for collection account. Sent for collection account 10,000. This journal entry is to be passed without noting charges. Suppose with noting charges, so that means total amount 11,000. So that means we are going to receive 11,000 from B in future. That means B's account debtor 11,000 rupees to bill sent for collection. We cannot change this amount to cash or bank account. To cash or bank account, how much? So with noting charges, B's account data 11,000 to bill sent for collection account 10,000 to cash or bank account 1,000 rupees. These are noting charges. Then come to journal entries in the books of drawee. Goods purchased from A, purchases account data to A's account. When bill is accepted, A's account data to bills payable account. Third one, when bill is dishonored, bills payable account data 10,000 rupees to A's account 10,000 rupees. This journal entry is without noting charges. With noting charges, how to pass this journal entry? Bills payable account data 10,000. We cannot change this amount. Noting charges account data, noting charges account data 1,000 rupees to A's account 11,000 rupees. To A's account 11,000 rupees. Okay. So these are the journal entries passed in the books of drawer and drawee under different cases. That means 4 cases. Okay, good. In next video, we are going to discuss retiring a bill under rebate. Till then, thank you very much.